Hello friends, so I just finished my work. So today I'm gonna bring you to Portsmouth, where my wife also lives. So I'm gonna take a train from Tonbridge to London, then from London to Portsmouth. So in total it's going to be like I think close to 3 hours of journey. So come along, I'll show you a bit of London on the way. Then I will also show you guys like how to book your train ticket as well. There are many ways to save money on like train tickets and all. There are many apps. The one that I use is Trainline. So I'll show you that as well, like how to book a train ticket through the app, then how to collect the ticket from the station itself. So let's go. This is the Trainline mobile app. I'm using iOS, so you can download it from Google App Store or iOS App Store. So go to this app, put in where you're traveling from and where you're going to, put in both the stations, then just find train. So once you press that, it will show you all the trains which are available for that specific day. You can choose single journey, open run, or return as well. Just choose the one that you want. Just make the payment. So once you make the payment, I will show you in a sec. You will get a code, which is the code that you need to get your ticket from the station. That's the code. So enter the code at the train station, the counter. Press print all your journey tickets. So it will start printing all your tickets.